Hey guys, if you remember, 10 months ago, I started an experiment to find out if polishing my RedBubble account could move me from a standard to a premium RedBubble account. Since there isn't much new information to share, this third episode will be the final one, instead of the originally planned 4 episodes. Before wrapping this up, I want to mention that I did find a way to get a premium account from scratch, not the method I talked about in the first episode, but a totally new one where I started with just an idea. The next video I record will cover exactly how to do that, so subscribe to make sure you don't miss it. Or just check this video's description for a link. The new video is probably already out, and you can watch it straight away. Now let's look at my correspondence with RedBubble. There's a ton of useless information here, so let's ask Harpa AI for a summary. Here it is. Timeline. Original request submitted on May 23rd, 2024. Follow-up sent on June 11th, 2024, 19 days later. Standard review time is supposedly 4 days, but actual wait time has been much longer. Process information. Account tier reviews are handled by a separate team from artist support. There is no direct way to contact the review team. Multiple submissions are discouraged as they increase overall review time. The form can only be submitted once per account email. Support response. Support team, Claudia, then Eric Leonardo, cannot provide status updates, give specific timeline estimates, access the review team directly, influence the review process. Next steps. Must continue waiting for response. Will be notified via email about upgrade decision. No additional action can or should be taken at this time. The situation appears to be stuck in a holding pattern with no clear resolution timeline. So, as you can see, I could have talked to trees or birds, and the result would have been the same, maybe even better. Regarding my RedBubble account, as you can see, after 10 months there are no changes. I'm still on the standard tier. Actually, scratch that. There are changes. My sales have dropped even more. What can I say? If you f***ed up your RedBubble account, don't try to recover it. Just create a new one and enjoy premium tier right from the start. I'll show you how to do exactly that in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below.